friend, a colleague, and a brother, Bob McGoldrick. He was the person more responsible than any other for setting the culture of Cigna, of helping people succeed in their careers. He brought customer service to an unprecedented level. He was very, very successful in sales, but probably more successful in the influence he had on, just literally maybe 1,000 people and the help he gave their careers.
Bob McGoldrick is known for creating national accounts, and he's a legend in itself. He always was so well organized for these meetings that he attended to bring in finalists and eventually have Cigna awarded new business sales.
My thanks for Goldie, a genuine, fair, and fun person with a sparkling smile. He was decisive, loyal to the CG family, and most proud of Jody and all his family. As he would say, "You're the best." Back at you, Gold.
He was a good friend and a class act. I suspect he's up there working with the big boss in our behalf as usual. God bless.
He was a dedicated professional and a wonderful human being. He knew how to make people around him feel comfortable. He did so much for others without looking to be recognized.
When Goldie retired, everyone thought that his great contribution had to be recognized going forward, and there were all kinds of awards that were considered in his name. It was going to be called the Goldie. There was no question about that. But what was the Goldie going to represent? It had to be the largest case sale of the year, because that's exactly what he made a career of doing.
He had an unrelenting focus on the customer. Above all, he embraced the challenge to convert doubters into believers.
He always spoke the truth, could always have confidence in his actions, in his words. Of all the many people over at Cigna that I've met, I've never met anybody with greater integrity than Bob McGoldrick.
He was an outstanding salesman, there was no question about that. He was a very caring family man, and in addition to all that, he was a super spender.
Goldie, you even, in spite of everything, convinced me to be a Notre Dame fan. Thank you for the memories.